Hello students. Children, today I am going to explain you a story which is named as The Thief's Story. This story is written by Ruskin Bond, and he has given a beautiful description of relations, a bond of trust, and how sometimes your good behavior with somebody can change the life and the perspective towards the life of someone. This story, The Thief's Story, as the name itself of the chapter making it very clear to us that the story is about a thief, and the thief is the narrator of the story. The thief is narrating the story to us, and the narrator says that he is just a young boy of around 15 years old. He is habitual of doing stealing. He keep on making different kind of masters. That means he becomes the employer of such employee where he could go, can work for him, and after some time, whenever he gets an opportunity, he can steal the money from that particular person. There are only two characters into the story. One is the Hari Singh, who is a thief, around 15 years old boy, and another character is a boy who is called as Anil in the story, and his age is around 25 years old. He is a writer. Anil writes books and articles also for certain magazines, and he earns his livelihood by his writings only. Anil is a very large-hearted person. He is very open to all, very kind-hearted. And one day, Anil was standing and watching a wrestling match. Suddenly, a boy approached him and he started talking to him. And when he started talking, he was talking to him in such a way as if he was trying to make him his friend. Anil was also talking to him, and after a while, Anil asked him that what is your name? This boy, though his real name is not Hari Singh, he tells us in the story that I keep on changing my name after every 2-3 months so that I am safe, and if anybody is complaining about me, so cannot identify me by my real name. And due to this habit, this boy, who is a thief in the story, immediately given one name to his identity, and he said that I am Hari Singh. After some time, he asked Anil that can he work for him. Anil denied. He said that I'll not be able to pay you. But then actually he was able to find a good-hearted man into Anil, and it seemed that it will be easier for him to steal the money from him, to do the robbery at his home. And that is why he was insisting him to keep him for some work. Hari Singh again requested and said, fine, if you will not be able to give me money, that is okay. Can you please feed me at least? That means if you will only be able to give me food and a place to live into your house, I'll work for you. Anil somehow felt little kind towards this boy, and he asked him that, do you know a bit of cooking? If you can cook the food for both of us, then we both can have food. I will also eat food and you can also have that food. Though Hari Singh does not know how to cook the food, but he immediately accepted it. He said, yes, I know how to do it and I'll cook the food for both of us. Anil took him to home that day, and he has given him a space in the balcony where he could live, because there is one room only, a room and a kitchen and a balcony. So he gave him a balcony. He said, you can sleep here, you can live here. And then he asked him to cook the food for both of them that evening. Hari Singh cooked the food. And he has already told us that he does not know cooking. So he cooked the food, but it was not worth eating. And that is why Anil, though started eating, but as he didn't like the taste of the food, it was actually not worth eating. He took it and he gave it to the street dogs. Hari Singh noticed it, but on the other hand, Anil didn't complain anything. Anil has not even said a single word to Hari Singh. He didn't even ask him why he lied to him. And moreover, he thought that because this boy was really needy, and that is why he was ready to do the cooking for me. And then Anil said that don't worry, I'll teach you cooking. After that, Anil started believing on him. He started even teaching him. Started with small alphabets and then words. And because Anil is a writer, he loves doing reading and writing. Not only this, Anil gave that affection to him and he started teaching him cooking also, reading and writing also. And he also believed on him, and whatever their shopping was for day-to-day grocery and everything, that was also done by Hari Singh. Anil gave him a key of his home, and he has given him the permission to go to the market to purchase things and to come back as per his own comfort because he had the key of the home. That belief which Anil has shown into Hari Singh was extreme. And slowly and gradually, Hari Singh also started learning and enjoying reading and writing also and living with Anil. But he is habitual of stealing. His purpose was to steal the money. And that is why Hari Singh one day thought, oh, if I will not going to do the stealing, I will become useless. I will going to forget about my old techniques. I will not be able to get the good amount of money which is my purpose to come here. And that is why when one day he saw that Anil has today got some money with him. He got payment of his writing an article for some magazine. There was a bundle of notes. That bundle had the notes of rupees 50 and Anil kept that bundle under his mattress. Hari Singh was observing all this, and Hari Singh thought that today is the opportunity when I could steal this money, because now he has money which he has kept for himself, and he gave an explanation to himself also, thinking that what will he going to do with this money? He will going to waste it by spending it on his friends, by buying some stupid things, and or for enjoying some kind of luxuries. So that would completely be a waste. It will be better if I can steal that money and can utilize it for my own purposes. Thinking this all, Hari Singh was just waiting for that moment to come where he could get the opportunity to steal that money before he spends it. So that night, when Anil was sleeping, Hari Singh got up and he kept his hand under his mattress slowly and tried to search that money. He found that money, took it, and he went. He thought that I'm going to take a train, an express train, and I will leave this city. I will go away from here. He went to the railway station. The train was there in front of him, and it started slowly and slowly moving. He could easily go and take the train. He could easily board himself into the train. But he do not know why he could not go. He just let the train go away. He could not get that strength to go and sit in that train. And he was all alone on the platform. It's the time of the night Very few passengers are there, and he started moving from that platform. The bundle of notes he has kept inside his pocket. It is the time of the winters, and the clothes which he is wearing, a pajama and a t-shirt, were also not comfortable as per the weather. But still, he kept on thinking that should I go away? But then, Anil tomorrow when he'll get up, he will feel little upset. And he gave an explanation here. He says that there are different kind of people and their reactions are also different on certain losses. He said that a rich person will feel angry when he thinks that he been cheated or somebody has robbed him. But a poor person would just feel himself regret about it and will adjust with the loss, thinking that was not for him. But a man like Anil will only feel sad on his loss. He will feel that not sad for the loss of the money, but sad for the loss of faith, but sad for the loss of that pure pleasure which he has given to Hari Singh. And moreover, Hari Singh was able to think about it, that he will feel sad about me, he will feel sad about the loss, and that is why Hari Singh kept on standing and he could not think what to do. Should he go away from there or should he go back to Anil? He was thinking, different kind of ideas were coming to his mind. I have money into my hand and I can live like a rich merchant for a week. I can stay into a hotel, but he does not want to go anywhere. And suddenly it started raining also. It was winter's time. It started raining. Then somehow to get a shelter, he rushed towards a clock tower. He was standing under that and he was thinking. That spiritual thought were going into his mind that what to do? What should I do? Should I let Anil to live into that guilt that he has given the belief and faith to a wrong person? Or should I go back to him? And then he was thinking that sometimes even Anil was giving me money. I was even making some money from the money which he was giving me for day-to-day shopping and for the grocery. And I was sometimes going for cinemas also. By that money which I had, I was utilizing it. He was making me to learn to read and write. He taught me to how to do the cooking. He was all thinking about Anil. What does it show? That somehow Anil's good behavior has also inculcated good faith and a connectivity into this boy, and that is why he was unable to go away from there. Thinking all this, he decided to come back. He came back that night in the house. He kept the money at the same place. Anil was sleeping, but the notes have become little wet as it was raining outside. And that day he got up little, and the next morning he got up little late. Anil got up earlier than him. He made tea for himself, and when he got up, he gave him a smile and said that today we'll start learning sentences. Though Hari Singh says that I was sure that he would have noticed that the money was wet and he would have come to know why the money was wet. But still, Anil gave no reaction. Anil didn't react anything. Anil accepted him again by thinking that if he's ready to recover his mistakes and if he's ready to learn out of his mistakes, then I should also support him. And then Anil gave a smile and said, today we'll start learning with the sentences. Hari also smiled, and this how Hari was again back to Anil, but not as a thief, but as a learner, as a friend, or as a companion. I hope the story is clear to you, children, though it has a very good learning that your behavior sometimes can change the behavior of other if you show that good belief and faith into other. Thank you all.